Hi, my name is Haadiya. I'm studying in grade 9 and today I'll tell you about the Vita band. There are many people who suffer with fits where the body shakes involuntarily, and there are individuals who go through low blood sugar levels, which makes them feel dizzy and they inevitably fall down. There will be senior citizens who are usually alone outside, and when they trip and fall, how do we notify people? That's where the Vida Band comes in. Vida Band is a project that uses sensors like the buzzer, the OLED, the NeoPixel LED, and the accelerometer. And this sensor plays the most important role in this project. This is how the project works. So, the accelerometer, the most important one in this, when a person is going through fits, the body shakes a lot, right? And when that happens, the accelerometer also shakes and the body drops down, right? It drops. And when that sudden change happens, the OLED will show a message and the LED will go red. And if you do not press this button within 5 seconds saying that you're all right, it takes it as a medical emergency and the buzzer goes off and the red LED neopixel starts blinking. Now, the reason why I put this because not always the person will have fits or will have low blood sugar level, they will trip or fall. When they're exercising too, there are many exercises where they go down and they go up, right? And that sudden drop, the band might take it as medical emergency or maybe that you fell down. That's why this button is included. So within 5 seconds, if this button is not pressed, the band will take that as a medical emergency, and as you saw before, the buzzer and the neopixel LED will start blinking. Now, the other case when the button is pressed, I'll show you. There's a sudden drop and then they fall. If you press this, everything goes back to normal. Now, this band is not for a certain group of people. It can be used by everyone. Parents who are afraid their kids might get hurt, senior citizens who walk or go outside alone, and so on. This is my code. Thank you.